Okay, let's look at XCN. So XCN right now got the move up. It's up 12% on the new day. Everything pumped recently based on what Trump did. He saw that his crypto portfolio was low, so he wanted to pump XRP, Cardano, and Solana. But XCN and a lot of other altcoins did follow that pump. So let's look at it. Right now, if we just start on the 4-hour time frame, the mid time frame I like to call it, you're overbought on the 4-hour time frame. You're below the 200-day moving average. This falling wedge is just like infinite. It just doesn't want to actually get a massive bounce. So to me, we're trying to crack this falling wedge. But to me, did we make a higher high yet? And the answer right now, the last time you overbought was 22 cents or 2.2 cents. You have not cracked that. I said in the last few videos, if you don't break 2.3 cents or even 2.4 cents, we're not bullish on XCN, at least not on the higher time frame, such as the 4-hour time frame. So to me, XCN right now is putting in a lower high below 2.3 cents. And if you get above it, then it's a higher high. But for right now, until you crack 2.317 cents, this is still bearish. I have not changed the prices. It just looks really bad. So you also did break resistance at 18.5. So right now, that will be acting as support. But I don't think it's going to be very strong support, given the fact the 4-hour time frame is making a lower high. So really, it's pretty likely that you do lose 18.5 again and come back down and test 15.92 as support. To me, that's the most likely scenario, unless Bitcoin gets a massive move to 100K overnight, which to me is unlikely because it's overbought, but we'll see what happens. It is actually trying to hold support around 92K, so I have to, dissect that as well. But overall, this is what I see. Most likely scenario is you get a retest of 16, and then you would hope for a bouncer for a higher low. If you get a higher low at 16, that'd be a good thing. So something like this to me is the most likely scenario on XCN, and then you get a bounce there, and then you can continue to the upside. So that's just what I think the most likely scenario is for XCN. So you make some kind of falling wedge here, and then would hopefully get the bounce. So we'll see what happens. That's what I'm predicting based on the 4-hour time frame alone. The 1-hour time frame is overbought. The 15-minute time frame looks interesting to me. So we'll see what happens. This could kind of save the day, and this would be an ascending triangle. If you continue to get the flag for higher lows but the same highs, you would kind of get a move to the upside here. And this, interestingly enough, would pretty much take you just above that resistance at 2317. So if this plays out, that would actually get you for a slightly higher high, or, either a double top or a higher high, depending on where it goes. If it goes to 2317, that's a double top. If you get above that to 24, that's a higher high. But overall, that's what I see going on. So the 50-minute time frame actually looks very bullish to me. I did not look at that before I made this video. 8-hour time frame, though, going back to the higher time frames, is overbought. 12 hours overbought, and now you have the daily pretty much in the overbought territory. The orange line is not over, so it's not quite overbought on the daily, but you're pretty close. The 2-day and the 3-day, and honestly the weekly, still look phenomenal to me for a move to the upside. So I still think you get that move to 7 cents at some point, this bull run minimum. But I will say, the 4-hour time frame scares me. The 15-minute time frame looks bullish to me. If I had to make that call right now, I guess based on the 15-minute time frame, if this then that, right? So pretty much it's this simple. If you lose 18.8, I think you're coming down to 1.6 cents. If you hold 1.8 cents, I think you are going to get the move to the upside, and then eventually 2.3 cents is the target. So if you lose 1.8 cents, that is 1.88, I should say. If you lose that level, I'd be looking for a small move to the downside. If you hold that level, I'd be looking for a continuation up. Based on that information, you could enter long with a stop at 1.88. Not financial advice. If you guys would like to join the trading group, like to join is in the description below, where I give you trade setups throughout the day. And I will say that I also appreciate if you guys hit the like button and subscribe on your way out, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm ready to get out of here. I'll be live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live stream. Until then, trade safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, and adios. What am I doing? I gotta end it first, I think. Where's the end button? Did I already end it?